you can see that it did as I suggested it might, and that is, if it didn't, this is the 60-minute chart. If that bar didn't trade up, the prior bar, the one with the little red body second from the right, if it didn't trade up, you could see that the next bar was going to form under this trend line. Not necessarily an indication that it's going to sell off from there. And a lot of traders with a trend line break like this will be sellers, but it's not necessarily indicative that it's gonna move lower. It's kind of a, I call these sideways breaks. When you have a sideways break like this, if we have a tick that goes below that prior bar low, and we're kind of trading there right now, if we have a tick that goes 60, if it trades at 60, then it becomes a little more valid in terms of being a break. But that's where we are. So our little trade needs to turn around here. I had a friend ask me last night after seeing last night's post, don't you ever lose? And I tell him that yes, we do have some losing trades. You may get a chance to see one of them here if it doesn't turn around. Again, if we break this prior bar low, that would be a pretty scary thing, and it's flashing at 60 right now, so you may in fact indeed get to see it. It needs to, there it is, there's a flash below. This stop, let me talk about this stop for a minute. Here's our daily chart, and the odds of it breaking that trend line and that support line down there this go round, I don't think is going to occur. I think it's going to bounce up a little bit, so it becomes tough with placing my stop in here. I'd like to be beneath that area, but I don't want it to run that many ticks against me. So, if in fact it trades, too much lower here, we will get stopped out. Right now we're at 59.50, and there's a reason why it's at 59.50, which I won't go into too much detail on, but obviously needs to turn up for us here and start going in the right direction, or we got a chance of a losing trade that I'll be able to post for my friend and and show him that not every trade's a winner. Does happen. So here's here's what we're trading, 60 1/4 and at 60, and we are at 59.50.